Officials of the Federal Ministry of Health and representatives of the United Nations and the United States government take journalists around the National Ultra Cold Chain store where the recently arrived Moderna COVID-19 vaccines are stored. The Director General of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency confirms that 4,080,000 doses of Moderna were received from the U.S. government and stored in these ultra-cold stores. But the vaccines will not be deployed to states immediately, as the government awaits further certification by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC.
Once we get clearance from NAFDAC, we're going to be sending the vaccines directly to the states, and then the states can start the process of deploying to the LGAs and the health facilities so that Nigerians can begin to get these vaccines as soon as possible.
The Moderna vaccine has a maximum shelf life of 5 to 6 months and must be stored in a minus 20 degrees Celsius temperature.
What's the expiration date for these vaccines that we just received?
It's the end of December. Yeah? End of December and end of January.
Beyond the issue of storage and lifespan, officials also clarify if the vaccine can be combined with the AstraZeneca vaccine as well as the potency of Moderna vaccine over the Delta variant.
For the Delta variants, what the data is showing us is that those vaccines are really effective against severe disease and also hospitalization. So we know that for the Delta variant, so we're good to go.
Additional doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine will be coming to Nigeria, and we'll be able to cater for those people who have taken their first doses. We'll give them second doses, but beyond that, there will be additional opportunities for people to be given the AstraZeneca vaccine if that is what their preference is.
The federal government officially ended the first phase of COVID-19 vaccination exercise 3 weeks ago, after the country exhausted the 4 million doses of AstraZeneca that was received from the COVAX facility in March this year.